Lover with you, love with you, feels so true, feels so new, love with you.
Hi mga kachupapi! Welcome back to my vlog. For today's video, kauwi lang namin galing Hobby Lobby. And bumili kami ng salamin. Nabili ko na rin yung aking dream mirror. I-open it!
Yeah, I'm gonna open the door first.
Okay. Nabili ko na rin yung aking dream mirror. So, pakita ko sa inyo mga chapapis. At ipapakita ko rin sa inyo yung aking living room na nilinis. Nilinis ko na rin pala itong aming tinanggal ko na yung mga kalat. So, nilagay ko na siya dyan. And then, yung aming garden is medyo madugyot dahil ang lakas ng hangin kanina. Ayan yung mga, ayan ang pangit mga kachapapi. Pagka meron kayong malaking puno, yung mga dahon, nagkakalaglagan. Ayan siya mga kachapapi. Galing din kaming Walmart. Bumili kami ng mga kailangan namin.
Let's get this first and you can put the stuff inside there. Okay, we just grab one side so we can get it out.
Hello, how?
No, never mind. You can put stuff inside the back.
I'm gonna open the door. Buksan ko yung akin. Yes! Nabili namin siya sa Hobby Lobby ng 50%. Hi, B! How are you? So, ayan. Lagay muna ng aking asawa. And then, ilalagay ko lang tong mga to. Buti na lang meron kaming ganito. Mali kami kasi meron din sale sa Walmart ng mga mga kachupapi sale yan. Ayan. So, bumili ako. Oh. Oh, he's in the bathroom?
You should get the water first.
Oh, I didn't. Okay, put the water here. Hello, look.
You put everything down, you put water last, and flush everything.
Okay.
Ouch.
And then bumili ako ng lamp. What happened?
I don't know.
Pakita ko sa inyo later.
Okay.
I'm gonna carry this one. Parang naglalaro lang kami dito, no? Your turn. Oh, in the bag.
Can't put it like that.
Okay.
Just do that.
You need a bigger house.
We just have too much stuff in the way. And these doors, it's not so good.
Okay. So, ito yung mga pinamili namin. Yung mga pinamili namin. Bumili ako ng cabbage dahil mag-egg roast na naman kami. And green onion. 2 green onion sa Walmart. And then squash ni Kiki. Pagkain to ni Kiki. So, ayan. Ilagay natin yung mga resibo dito.
You'll have to edit the one that I did out of the room and I'm naked. Then answer it.
And then ito, this one, pumunta kami sa Asian store. Bumili din kami ng kilos. Isang kilos lang naman. And then itong ang egg rolls, cilantro. And then, mamaya ako na ito babaluto, mga kachubaki. Kaya ilalagay ko lang siya dyan. And then, bumili ako ng wrapper. B, what are you doing? Okay. ayusin ko lang tong mga bumili ako ng malaking onion. Kasi gusto ko yung red onion kaysa sa white onion. Ewan ko ba, mas masarap kasi itong red onion. Okay na naman ng white onion, kaya lang makatuka pa. White onion ang ginagamit ko, parang walang lasa. So, mas bet ko itong red onion kasi medyo may lasa. So, bumili ako ng ground beef para sa aming, magluluto ko ng Shanghai and egg rolls. Kasi ang aking asawa, favorite ang egg rolls. Ako naman, favorite ko ang Shanghai. So, dalawa ang ginagawa ko. And then, bumili ako ng, ang cute na clock mga katsiyapapi, oh. Bumili ako ng clock para ilagay namin sa living room kasi yung clock dyan sa living room, medyo maliit. So, bumili ako. And then, bumili rin ako ng ganitong baonan. Para yung asawa ko pag magbabaon, gagamitin niya to. And then, ilalagay niya lang sa lunchbox. Siguro $5 lang to mga katsiyapapi at saka babasagin siya. So, good siya. Very good sa, baon. And then, ito yung binili ko kasi naka-sale siya ng $5. So, ayan. Bumili ako na ito para may bauna ng asawa ko. Diba? Ang ganda. $5 lang ito mga katsiyapapi. Oh. Tapos, meron siyang kasamang ice pack para in case na may ice cream ka dyan. Para ice cream, matutunaw pa rin yun. And then, ito yung nagustuhan ko mga katsiyapapi. Itong lamp. White ang hinahanap ko, kaya lang wala ng white. So, ito na lang.
You know what? They use battery, I think. Oh, no, you can plug it in.
Yeah, charging yata to. So, nakita ko ito mga katsiyapapi. Kaya sabi ko, pang aesthetic. Dapat white ang bibilin ko. Wala akong nakitang white. Merong ganitong kulay. At saka blue. Ayoko na ng blue. So, ayan na lang. Orange na lang. And then, bumili ng pang breakfast ng asawa ko. Hindi naman ako nahilig. Ano pa ba yung binili namin? Ay, nagprint ako ng picture. At saka yung sa namin, sa mga indoor fly trap. Bumili yung asawa ko. Kasi ubos na. And then, bumili ako ng conditioner for my hair. Ito yung gamit kong conditioner, Pantene. Dahil subok ko na ang Pantene. And then, bumili ako ng bumili ako mga katsiyapapi kasi nagandahan ako. And partner siya dito, no? Mga katsiyapapi. So, bumili rin ako yan. $20 na, medyo expensive. And then, bili lang ko rin ng kasawa ko ng lagay ng utensils. Meron na siyang, kompleto na siya. Meron na siyang 3 ganyan. So, ito $6 yata. Ito nabili ko. Kalimutan ko na. Pero, sabi ko nga sa asawa ko, pagka magbabaon siya para hindi siya kaya ng kain sa labas. And then, isang box ng tubig dahil wala na kami tubig. So, dun tayo sa living room ng katsiyapapi. Ito, ligpit ako muna ito. I was.
What?
Oh, nothing. He asked me, did you come home late or, you are busy? Oh, anyways, sorry. I'll tell you what to do. I'll get the black table out.
Oh, check
and then when my hair dries, thank you.
Thank you.
Yan. Ang hirap nito. Ano din? Kasi dito wala ko nalagay. So, dito ko siya nilalagay. So, ayusin ko muna itong mga to. And then, ito, lagay natin ito dito para makita agad ang asawa ko. Hiningal ako. Teka lang, hihinga lang ako. Hihinga lang ako. Makawalan ako ng hininga. Yun. Super saya ng Imdahay dahil nakabili na naman kami ng mga kailangan namin gamit sa aming bahay. You need something like that? You need something like that? If you want, put it on your room. You're crazy. So, ito ilalagay natin siya dito. Lagay. Teka lang, nakikita ba ako? Ayan. Lagay ko muna ito dito para Meron naman, ayan. Meron pagpaliit ka, no? So, ayan, dyan ko nilalagay yung mga yan para nakikita ng aking asawa. And then, ito, ang dali na natin itong mga, ano, ito pinaprint ko mga kachopapi kasi meron kaming album. Yung family kami, ilalagay namin to dito sa aming picture print. Kaya lang mga kachopapi, yung ano, ay nako, ang hirap magpa-print ng ganong kaliit na ano. Wala silang ganon, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Pero ilagay muna natin to dito. Tabi muna natin to, mamaya natin to ayusin. Ito ang nagustuhan ko mga kachopapi, ilalagay ko to sa aming living room. $5 lang to isa kasi nag-sale siya. Actually, $17 yata to isa. Pero nag-sale siya mga kachopapi. Paano kaya ito buksan? Kaya ito buksan? Ah, okay. Tiganes pala ito. Bakit ayaw? Bakit ayaw, guys? Lagay ko nga muna ito sa ref para hindi masira. Hugasan ko lang ito bago ko ito gamitin. Itong mga gulay gagamitin ko yan mamaya. So, dyan lang siya. Ito lang ang itatapon natin. Itong mga to, lagay na natin to dito sa living room. Lagay ko lang to kasi pag hindi ko na naman ilagay, nako. Ito gusto ko ilagay ito sa ano. Yan, tatanggalin ko naman. So, ilalagay ko. Balak ko itong ilagay. Dito yata. Doon sa taas. Kaya lang, wala pa akong ano. O kaya doon na lang kaya. Ano? Mamaya na to. Itong salamin na to, dito ko ilalagay. Ang bigat pala ni yay! Ang ganda oh. Ganda! Ang ganda niya mga kachopapi. And then, itong ilaw. Parang lumawak yung aming bahay, no? Dito ko ito ilalagay. Oh? What? Oh!
When you need my help, let me know, okay?
Oh, help me!
Huh?
Help me!
Now?
How to open this lamp?
What are you trying to do?
Open that lamp.
Open this? I think it's just up here. Oh, maybe not. It's probably not being charged yet. You gotta charge it first. It probably has no power. The switch is down. I saw it somewhere.
The switch is here, oh. Here. It's not there. Because look. See? Let me charge first.
It probably needs to be charged first.
I'll charge here. No, I'm charging. Hey, Nabi!
Oh.
It's working!
Okay.
It's working now. I told you you need to touch this.
Okay. So, I guess you can charge both of them.
You like the mirror?
You're gonna leave the mirror there?
Yeah.
What if somebody opened the door, BAM! Or Danny's playing with the chair and then it hits it?
Ken, open the door.
Let me see. Hold on.
Oh, diba?
Okay.
Good?
Well, as long as it's leaning, it should be okay.
Remove the sticker.
For $239, we got it for $126, which is kind of a deal, but It's a lot of money for a mirror.
Yeah. But it's gonna be for a long time though.
If it doesn't get broke.
Yeah.
But if it gets broke, then it's not gonna be good. And then I'll decide if we can finish building it. We're just gonna put carpet and I'm gonna put walls on it. So then you can use it.
I'll put this one here. Nice.
But you're gonna have to walk through her room.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, stand by.
Okay. Nick's not using that, or did you bring that from upstairs?
Nick is not using it. Because I told to Nick that I'm gonna use it for my plants.
You know what you could do? You could take the black marker and just color these in.
Yeah.
So it's not visible. You have a black marker?
Yeah. Get it there. Are you gonna put my treadmill? Where are you gonna put my treadmill?
Well, tell me where you want it. Right now, there's no good place for it except over there.
Yeah, you're right.
And then when we're ready to bring the Christmas tree out, we're just gonna have to put it in the basement. Well, it's not in use. No, this one is not as good. I should get the permanent marker from my workplace. That works better because this is not permanent. I thought I had one here, but I don't.
Okay. So mga ka-chupapis, bumili kami ng ganyan sa Temu. So, binili ko siya
Do we
ng...
have any wallpaper? I guess we don't. No, it's okay. I guess we'll just use this for now. When I get the permanent marker, then I'll redo it and it'll be better.
And then we built that one from Temu. It's only $26. Pero yung tatlo, nabili ko sa, sa Hobby Lobby. So mga ka-chupapis, natahi ko rin yung aking dalawang punda. So, okay na, hindi na ako magtatahi. Tapos na ako magtahi. And then, cha-charge ko lang yun. Cha-charge ko lang ito. So, yun lang mga ka-chupapis. Papakita ko lang sa inyo pagtas ko maglinis. B, where we're gonna put the this one.
Up there.
Right there. Maybe there.
But you have the cross there already. You should move the cross over here.
Okay.
Because there is better because we sit here, we can see the clock. But it'd be nicer if that goes in the dark, so then when it's watching movie at night, we can see what time it is. But I don't think this one glows. Hold on. I don't think this one glows in the dark though.
Yeah, it's not.
So it's only for daytime.
Yeah.
That's okay.
It's only $5.
Yeah, grab a battery. It's in the jar where the rice maker is. We'll just let it dry a little bit. Should be okay.
What time is it?
6:30. Hey you, what are you doing, Don't lick it. Nice. See, doesn't look so bad now.
Let me see. Nice.
I mean, if you look close, you can still see it, but from far away, it just looks a little bit better.
Oh.
Okay. That's where it fell. It's very loose.
Okay, that's cute.
There we go.
That's cute. Oh, where am I gonna put it on there? This one is better, yo. Oh, exactly.
It's somewhere you move it. Every time I think it's somewhere you move it.
Ay, Kiki. Ito pa kalamerang bata, oh. Kalamerang bata.
Okay, I'm happy to get the nails.
Yeah, and get some here too, so we have nails inside the house.
We're just gonna do the whole pack of nails, put it into it.
Yeah. Ang ganda na ng aming living room, mga ka-chupapis. Very aesthetic na siya. Finally, meron na
You
kami.
can find a place with a small cross and you can find another place for it. And then I'm gonna get the nail so I can put the big cross.
Lagay ko kaya ito dun sa next room. No, kachupapi. Pampata. Ano? Ikaw ang papampam sa bata. Sa balat ng bata. Okay. Ikaw na yun. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Ang ganda na ng aming bahay. Konti na lang nagiging aesthetic na ang aming bahay. Ito na lang ito yung nabili ko mga kachupapi kasi meron siyang ibang salamin doon na hindi siya kagandahan pero nasa $80 plus, $80. Pero ito ngayon nagustuhan ko sabi ko kasi parang aesthetic siya tsaka ang tagal, parang feeling ko matagal siyang masisira dahil yung bakal niya sa gilid. Ipapakita ko sa inyo mga kachupapi. Ayun, yung bakal niya sa gilid is very makapal siya. Ayan, dalawang bakal siya. So, kung susukatin mo, ganito siya kakapal. Yung ibang salamin mga kachupapi kasi is ganito lang. Itong makapal. Kaya lang wala siyang standing dito sa likod. So, ayan. Meron lang siyang ganyan. Kaya lang, ililin lang namin siya ng ganyan para mukhang hindi naman siya mapapasag, no? Ang kikyo, nakita niya yung sarili niya. Kaya ganda naman kasi papi. So, ayun na yung aming bagong living room. Malinasan naman yung aming bahay. Ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo later pag dumilim na. Ayusin ko lang to. And, yun na kasi papi.
Just gonna use the same one.
Up a little bit. Oh, it's not good. Up a little bit.
Make another hole?
No. This one, no, up
I
like
can't
this.
make it up a little bit.
Why?
Because when you hang it, it's going to come back down anyway. See that? Even if you do that, when you hang it, it's going to come back down. Because this door is hollow in the middle, so you can't do it like that. If the door is solid, you can do it, but it's hollow. So,
That's not good door, then.
well, they do that so the door's lighter. Because
No.
if your
Not
door is
good.
solid, it's very heavy. Go in a little bit more. So they do that so the door's not so heavy. It's like,
Nice.
okay, it works.
Yes.
It's not gonna fall. I just to see how stable it is. It's not gonna fall.
You're funny.
It's good. If it's not gonna fall, that's good. So we'll keep these little nails inside the house because we can use it to hang stuff up.
Yeah.
Do you need one for the small cross? Oh,
No,
you
it's-
used that
yeah, yeah.
thumbtack already?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kiki, oh. Baby Kiki like in the mirror.
Well, I hope he doesn't jump on it.
Gandahan siya sa mirror, no? Kachapapis. Ang ganda na. Siya kayong aming clock doon. Cute na mga kachapapi. So, maganda na siya. Aayusin ko lang to. Mamaya na natin pakita. Lilinisin ko muna to. Tapos antayin ko magdilim para pakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kaganda yung lamp na nabili namin. And gaano siya kaganda paggabi. So yun mga kachawapi. Antayin nyo. Lilinisin ko lang to. kachupapi, finally tapos ko na rin linisin to yung aming living room. And nagandahan ako dito sa aming cute lamp. Hindi ko na siya kailangang saksakin dahil dechargeable naman siya. So, hayaan ko lang siya dyan hanggang gabi. So, tingnan natin. Patayin natin yung ilaw. Ay, ang ganda, doy. So, hayaan ko lang siya dyan. Ganyan siya. So, hindi mo na siya kailangang isaksak dahil detached naman siya dyan. Ayan. Oh, diba? Very good. So, eto. Ayan. So, ganda. Kung white lang to mas okay. Pero okay na naman yung orange. So, ayan. Tapos na tayo maglinis. So, hanggang dito na lang yung ating vlog. And, see you to the next vlog. Thank you mga kachupapi for always watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe our channel. 10:45 na ng gabi. So, kailangan nating matulog. Good night!